Hey, hello, good morning. This is Sakshi Gulia, and I'll be telling you about the new education system which has been introduced in 2020, that is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. What's it? 10 plus 2 was quite simple, na? But no, my dear friends, this system is amazing, superb. I really wished I was a part of that system, but I'll be a part of that system by teaching it. I'll really enjoy. So, what the system has to pay, the first 5 years will be playgroup, LKG, UKG, first and second, and it will mainly focus on learning and reading by various amazing methods like play method, activity method, and discovery method. Next 3 years will be third, fourth, and fifth class. After that will be six to eight classes next 3 years, and 6 to 8 classes the students are going to just enjoy in the sense they'll have a gala time. So what are the new things in classes 6 to 8 are coding will be introduced. Student, like what, it is generally seen that even after graduation students are not able to do coding, and now in the current scenario, in the current situations, coding is one of the most important, I guess. A person should know coding because everything has become technology. So, first, coding will be introduced and the studies will be project based. Students will be allowed to do projects from class 6. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, and then no bag days will be introduced. Like in a year, there will be 10 no bag days where the students will not carry any bag and they'll just, what they'll do internship like courses or internships like carpentry, pottery, everything will be and many more things will be introduced by which the students will learn, and they'll main thing is they learn how to respect each and every profession, and no profession is big or small. And by learning pottery, carpentry, the students will be able to find their niche, what they are interested in, whatever it may be. Then, okay. Then, in the current scenario, what is the thing that if you are studying maths, English, science, SST, they are main subjects. Then games, music, dance, they are light subjects, and light subjects are not given any importance. But in the current education, the light subjects will be given equal importance. That is, if you are a sports player or if you are a dancer, you'll get marks. It will increase your percentage and the weightage will be equal. This will be beneficial for students. Now next is 4 years. After 8th class, 9, 10, 11, 12, they are merged. Okay, and what has happened that in the current scenario we used to give board exams once, but now the exams will happen twice. Two-time board exams, objective and descriptive, and the exams will be application based rather than rote learning. The students can, like, if a student is from science background, he can't take any subjects from arts. Like, I'm a physics student, I'm a science student, I wanted to study psychology and English literature, but I wasn't, because science and arts were different. But now it's so amazing that a child can take physics along with fashion designing or psychology or any other subjects. There's no biased system now. That's great. Like, students will not even tease each others like, oh, you are doing science, you are doing arts. This is not going to happen anymore in India. So great. Okay, now at the last, I would like what are the importances of the new education system. First, the national mission will keep a record of the students. How many students are getting dropped out at what age, how the system is progressing. Then promotion of digital library will be introduced so that if a student doesn't have any book or no books or any guides etc, a student can get everything on his digital library, as now everyone has a mobile and can the government was spending 2% of its GDP on education sector, but now government will spend 8% of the GDP 8% of the GDP on education sector. And the best or the benefit of this education system which will happen on children is the 360-degree holistic development of children, and children will be really excited. Children, kids, everyone is really superly excited for the new system. Even I am, because I'm a teacher. Thank you everyone. Kindly like, subscribe the red button to see my videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Have fun.